Very good morning, friends. Before the levels, we should watch what has happened in the market. So it was Friday. From Friday, that was on the top. Market was on the top, going to the level of 25,600 odd. Later, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You can see Monday was a trendy day and Tuesday it was a pause. Pause means there was no range expansion. The range was from here to here. On Tuesday, the market could not go there and it made an halt. And Wednesday, you can see there was a trap of this level, market going beyond that, trapping this high and continue. Trend was down. So trend was down like this. I'm bringing this. Trend was down. And again, this was a measured move. Later, what happened on Thursday? It was an reversal almost to this level. Almost to the back to this level, 100% almost. And then trend continued to the downside. If I measure this move, 100% move, from here to here, that was 202%, 203 points, and same amount of down move was seen in the market. It's like a pyramid like this. Going up and coming down. Later, this down move continued on Friday. On Friday, it was a continuation. And then equal amount of reversal. That too above the closing above the high on the Friday, indicating bullishness. Now, Monday, it is a pause, totally pause. At least you can see in this pause, some sort of trend was there. Here, the market stayed within the range and it was a narrow range pause. After a pause, some sort of activity you can see in the market. After the pause, the trend was down. Today, what can happen is either it can come and retest this level and it can move higher. The trend may continue higher because there is lot of liquidity beneath this. Whoever it is, call writers, put writers, money is in this area, in this gap. Static liquidity available in the market. If the market grabs this liquidity and moves higher, it can trend higher. Otherwise, same thing if it is repeated, if it goes up like this and start moving, trend may continue still downwards. So today, you need to watch. It may be a past day, it may be another past day, or it may do like this. In the initial hours, if it dips down and makes move to the upside, that is positive. You can anticipate for an up move, Friday trend continuation to the Tuesday after the pause. So VIX is 12.56. The levels to watch is 25,293 and on the upper side 25,628. The market is coming down in a compression manner and the entire move from here to here, it has been covered in a compressed way. The way it is coming down, the imbalance is balanced with the time. It has taken more than a week. Now, earnings starts pouring in this week. Today is 8th and tomorrow, day after tomorrow on Thursday, probably TCS results will start pouring in. From the TCS results start pouring in. So we need to see what sort of price action. This is entirely 1 week's price action. From the previous week close, the market is down. If you go to the weekly chart, you can see the weekly down move. Today's price action, these are the levels to watch and important levels. If it dips down, 25,371. If it goes up, the level to watch is, let me go to the hourly to mark the flip zones. If I go to the hourly, this is the flip zone. 25,503 can act as resistance. This is the flip level, 25,503. $25,503 is the flip level. The market has flipped down and it can act as the resistance for the market today. Coming to the Bank Nifty is slowly grinding down and the swing is here. Probably Bank Nifty may consolidate within this range of 56,574 and 57,323. The immediate support is here. The price action is also almost the same, but the thing is, you can see it has taken liquidity from here. Probably it can continue down today. The price action may be towards downside, or it may be another type of range, that is from 56,900 to 56,574. Around 500 points range you can see in the market on Bank Nifty. Note down these levels, 57,323 and 56,574. The market is always doing this. It makes an imbalance This is an imbalance, total imbalance from here, 25,075, and market is balancing out. This is the flip zone, flip level. Red has been turned green. Market has moved higher. So this is the most important level, 25,292. Sometimes what happens when there is a breakout from this level, market tries to enter into this zone also. Here, if I mark this level, this is zone flip. Zone flip. That is 25,171. Why I'm calling it zone means red has turned into green. After turning red has turned into green here, the market moved higher. So this is the structural flip level and it is zone flip level. Suppose if the market starts coming down and this comes to zone flip level 25,176, market can also take support from that level. So these are the things what I've extensively marked for today. So it was a pause on one day. If the market wants to correct still more, it may hit this flip zone and try to move down. If it takes support today or a pause in this week, if it comes down and if it moves higher, that is some sort of reversal trade like this. It can do like this. Here double bottom is there. So that's why I'm anticipating for liquidity grab and it can move like this. Okay, friends. Thank you very much. I wish you all happy and profitable day. I advise you people, if the market is in trend, in range, better avoid it. You will get an opportunity in stocks. You can trade in stocks. So the another idea to note down is NSE option chain. The market, the straddle cells are happening over here. See, from here to here to here, you can see premium decay. And in the put side, you can see premiums are in trading in the minus. Right? That itself indicate both the straddles, both the call and puts were sold in the market yesterday. That is a clue. You can go to the NSE option chain and you can get an idea from there. So finally, I'm closing my analysis today. Trade with caution. Thank you very much.